Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the raw audio and matching project settings. Import the original clip, enable audio skimming, and inspect the waveform for clipping or flatness. Once done, set the timeline sample rate to match the clip. For most cameras, that's 48,000 Hz, because mismatched rates cause muffled tone. Make sure your project audio format and channel configuration mirror the source. This prevents resampling artifacts and gives the necessary foundation before any corrective process. Now you tackle the middle steps: EQ, noise, and gain. Add channel EQ and remove rumble with a high pass around 80 Hz, then gently boost the 3 to 6 kHz band to restore intelligibility. Once EQ shapes the tone, apply noise reduction. Use low reduction and fine-tune threshold so you remove hiss without smearing speech. Make sure to check phase and mono compatibility. If the track clips, reduce gain or use a limiter. These steps restore articulation without introducing artifacts. Finish by balancing levels and confirming results. Add an adaptive limiter last, set the output ceiling to -0. 5 dBFS, and use bypass to /be the processed versus original audio. Render a short test export at final delivery settings and listen on multiple devices. If muffled tone remains, recheck the project and clip sample rates first. Mismatches are the usual culprit. As a troubleshooting tip, if processing sounds washed, reduce noise reduction or temporarily bypass the transient shaper to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.